Welcome to this video about the SEO Manager for EpiServer. I am going to show you how to install SEO Manager on your EpiServer site. This video will go through the installation steps in detail and also look into what really happens under the hood during the installation. First, I want to show you that my demo site uses the default EpiServer Friendly URL functionality. I will also go into the EpiServer admin mode and show you that the SEO Manager administration interface does not exist. I will look at the database connection string and look for the name on the database used for the site. And in the EpiServer database, we only have the default tables. In the EpiServer config, we can see that the site is using EpiServer Friendly URLRewriteProvider. And in the web config, we can see that we have the standard configuration sections. Okay, time to install the SEO Manager. Start the EpiServer Deployment Center, click on All Actions, and select Install a module from a compressed file. Then click Run. In the first step, we're going to browse and select the SEO Manager Epi module file. In the second step, we have to make sure that the Apply Configuration Changes is checked. In this case, I will also let Overwrite existing files with the same name be checked, but it won't get any effects. In the third step, you select which EpiServer site you want to install the SEO Manager Epi module to. The fourth step only contains information about the files that will be installed. SEO Manager is now being installed. When you see the finished message, the installation is done. I will now close the deployment center and go back to Visual Studio. As you can see, the configuration files have been updated. In the web config, the SEO Manager has added a config section with the name Mogul. And if we scroll down to the end, the actual SEO Manager configuration exists. You can read the installation manual to get information about what each setting does. When we look at the EpiServer config, we can see that the default URL provider has been changed to Mogul Friendly URL Rewriter. We can now check the EpiServer database and see if the installation has created any tables. We will there find the new tables that are used for SEO Manager. When I go back to the EpiServer admin mode and refresh, we should see the SEO Manager in the Tools section. It might take a while since we have updated the configuration files. When we access the SEO Manager administration interface, you can see a license warning. That means that we need to add the SEO Manager license to the root folder of the website. After that, the license warning will be gone. Let's now check the friendly URL of the site. As you can see, it's the same as before. That is because we still need to start the SEO Manager. The reason why the SEO Manager does not start automatically is because it's often the administrator installing the module, but it's the editor who wants to start the plugin when ready. So, let's go on and start the add-on. Go to the SEO Manager Administration interface and click the last main tab, License and Settings. Then just click Launch to start the SEO Manager for the current site. Now when we go back and run the site again, you can see that the URL has been changed to lowercase and that the English indication is removed. That is the work of the SEO Manager. At last, I just want to show you the URL handled by SEO Manager for the product page. We can click on the old URL to test and see that the SEO Manager really redirects the old URL to the new URL.